Hello all, welcome to our channel. So first of all, we can discuss about that. This is for video will be beginner purpose. Please carefully watch how we can making for YouTube shorts. Simple logic, I can using Canva, any business purpose. It is my business or anyone we have to business. That will be compared to the video option. There is called this size 1080 by 920 pixel will be supporting for Instagram Reel, Facebook Reel, and YouTube Shorts. Everything will be supported. Now, when we will be click here option, see what are those things will be here. Already some content will be here. What are those? So we can again for we can go ahead. So this will be we can upload will be two ways. One is a voice, second will be without voice. But my upload will be with the voice option. Voice will be I'm selecting will be India voice here. So copy. Voice you can generate. Download it. 7 seconds. Click for upload by this here. This video short will created. So we can create it. So what are the effect you want? And you can look into your animation. Which animation you want? Animation will be your wish. Simple. Voice related. Click this option. Click for download, which is a paid one. Simple download a free watermark draft. This is the video we can download will be simple scenario. Are looking for customer services in Hyderabad? Contact Rakesh Tech Solutions. Just we can give the some instructions to the voice method to the users. So that will be helping to this to the customer. How we can contact easily will be voice. This is a video will be making will be voice oriented video. You can check with this. So this will be, we can utilize the particular future, the video. So that will be held by the user will be contact through voice itself. So that is a more effective will be users. There will be here is the option. So in this animation, so we can change the number of animations are there, which is a useful. Grad will be here. So these all options are here. They will be very much of important to the particular users. And this also we can download. Number of animations are there. Every animation will be here. This is the particular option. Same one, I can change this image. Will give effect. An image. Add a logo. Click it. Download this. Same voice and we can change the video and making a lot of options are here. Same will be here. So we can download the video. This video we can uploading will be Facebook, Instagram, anywhere you can upload this particular video will be here. So change color. Right click, share, and download. What are the changes you are? You can changes will be here and do this particular Facebook reel, Instagram reel, and YouTube short. What the size will be here? Go to video option. The size will be 1080 by 1920 pixel. So same like that. What are the people are uploading any video will be like they will be same. So same like that. People uploading videos on here. Number of people will be here. Upload this option and make it your video and get more views and get more will be earnings on your particular channel. And same like will be if you're getting for more business through your YouTube Shorts option. Any further question, please contact my channel. I definitely will be support you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.